Star Atlas cost forecasts range between 0.006589 and 0.012446 by 2030. Market analysts accept Atlas could reach 0.005125 by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is 0.001171. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs. The most recent obsession with the web are expected to influence the gaming industry. This cutting-edge technology innovation has the potential to transform the domains of internet-based video games. Financially, you may see a change in the specialized scene by combining NFTs with the gaming industry and the possibility of the metaverse. START is one such effort that is ready for the oncoming wave of computer games. Star Atlas is creating a virtual gaming environment set in the far future with a dual symbolic economy. According to its white paper clients, Star Atlas is a space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain systems with NFT situated in-game things and specific illustrations. Advances. What a Star Atlas is a space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network. Because of this amazing, they may join efforts, cooperate and battle their direction into neglected region. Star Atlas will launch its first currency creation campaign in August 2021, focusing on in-game resources in light of the concept of non-fungible monetary forms. Each component in Star Atlas is a NFT that has been put on the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas games universe is huge and players should go out on forlorn rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart other players in the metaverse. Star Atlas's ongoing interaction in the game players can make huge urban communities and PRI. Unlike most other gaming platforms, Star Atlas fully embraces decentralization. Instead of limiting resale and complete responsibility for game objects, the game's NFT-enabled in-game items will be the exclusive property of the players, with the option to sell them on additional NFT commercial centers. Star Atlas important investigation. Financial supporters use this method to determine the true value of a coin. The major goal is to examine a wide number of internal and external components to determine if a coin is inflated or undervalued. This information is used by financial supporters to enter and exit speculations with precision. One issue that should be addressed before trading cryptographic money is fundamental investigation. A basic investigation can give the financial backer an idea of what money control and speculative action will entail for the digital currency and how to proceed. Specialized examination isn't as significant as this stage, which necessitates more careful inspection and experience than formal tutoring. The primary focus of the tests is cryptographic money. Market research is critical in filling the gaps identified under future cost development. Computing a fair value or normal value management evaluation, assessing the organization's intensity, assessing the organization's financial soundness. Essential investigative components. There are three major components to vital examination: economic evaluation, business investigation, market research. Critical examination is a broad technique that necessitates a thorough understanding of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters, for example, comprehending macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation methodology, and having the ability to decipher monetary reports. Furthermore, it generally utilizes open-only accessible information, for example, an organization's past income and net revenues, to gauge future development. Star Atlas is currently worth. Atlas has currently moved 1.36, with a trading volume of 787,658. Star Atlas is now ranked 681 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $14,354,720 Using the general strength record RSI moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness mapped from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas to conclude whether we are having a bullish or negative year. Atlas market information and all information is revised live on our website, allowing us to provide dynamic cost projections based on current market activity. From certain perspectives, Star Atlas Value Forecast 2023 Star Atlas is one of the most amazing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas cost gauge for 2023 anticipates a significant increase in the year's last part, possibly reaching 0.002196. Similarly to other digital currencies, the ascension will be modest, but no substantial declines are expected. The average price is 0.00205, and the cost is quite competitive, but it is achievable sooner rather than later given anticipated coordinated efforts and progressions. Atlas is expected to have a base value of 0.001757 Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024 Star Atlas cost forecast has a lot of room for expansion because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives. We anticipate that the cost of Atlas will sooner or later outperform 0.003661 nonetheless. Given the market's unpredictability, we should wait to see if the Atlas general strength record escapes from the oversold zone before placing any positive wagers. Atlas will trade with a base exchange cost of 0.002929 and a typical exchange cost of 0.003221 Star Atlas Value Expectation 2025. If the vertical trend continues until 2025, it might reach 0.005125 and Atlas might benefit if the market encounters of decay. The goal may not be met. Atlas is expected to trade at a typical cost of 0.004686 and a low of $0.004393 in 2025. Providing Star Atlas effectively supports market sentiment among cryptographic money enthusiasts. Atlas coin prices could remain steady for the next 5 years, according to our forecasts. Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is expected to surpass its previous height in 2026. The virtual currency will be worth 0.006589 in 2026, with a basic cost of 0.005857 and a typical cost of 0.00615 Star Atlas Value Expectation 2027. Following some broad determining and specialized analysis, we estimate the Atlas cost will cross a normal value level of 0.007614 by 2027. With a base cost of 0.007321 expected before the year's end. Atlas also has a most extreme value worth of 0.008053. Atlas, the star. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900. And XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the week